Everybody gets 2 sentences so that we can watch the film as soon as possible.
大家好，我係呢部戲嘅導演林善啦。
講多一句啦。He just introduced himself.
好多謝大家星期一10點呢個咁夜嘅時間都願意嚟睇我哋呢部電影啦。
Thank you for coming Monday evening at 10 p.m. This is a fairly late slot. Thank you for filling this hall.
我第一次睇呢個劇本嘅時候，大概係4年前。咁我嗰陣已經好想拍，但係覺得係好難有機會揾到投資。咁好多謝香港電影工作者總會嘅總會拍電影呢個計劃啦，令我哋可以有機會。
I am very fortunate because it was actually 4 years ago that I read the script. I was very interested in it, but you can imagine how difficult it is to actually try and find funding. So I must thank the Keep Rolling, Keep Running scheme of the Federation of Hong Kong Filmmakers for investing in this film. Thank you.
我記得我細個咧就睇國際電影節大嘅，所以咧今日特別好榮幸可以喺呢度播嘅電影，多謝大家嚟睇。
I grew up watching lots and lots of films at the Hong Kong International Film Festival, so I feel very, very honored that I'm here on stage.
喺呢個時間都見到有咁多人嚟睇呢部戲，令我深深咁樣感受到呢個宇宙係真係有神嘅。
It really makes me deeply, deeply appreciate that there is God in this universe.
我通常喺呢個場地咧係真人表演嘅，但係今日咧係一個電影大銀幕嘅表演，對於我嚟講係一個好有意義、好令我覺得好興奮嘅一件事。不過唔好彩就係我哋陣間要行出去，我睇唔到個頭嘅，所以我唔知點算㗎。
Okay, I am very happy to be here on this stage. Normally I'm on this stage performing live theater. This time I'm appearing on the screen, on the big screen, and I'm very, very much anticipating and expecting wonderful things. However, I know that I'll be rushing, so I do want to catch as much as possible of the beginning. Okay.
大家好，我係不赦之罪原著作歐振豪。好感恩不赦之罪團隊可以帶我嚟到呢個咁莊重嘅舞台，希望大家今晚可以好好 enjoy 呢套電影。Thank you.
Thank you, the team that I'm able to be here on this stage and to share with you this film. I hope you will like it.
Hello， 大家好，我係不赦之罪嘅演員陳宣恩 China。咁我舊年咧，舊年都有嚟國際電影節睇戲啦，咁舊年我就坐喺嗰度嘅，今年我就可以企喺呢一度啦，咁好感恩有呢個機會啦，係咁多 ，thank you。
Again, I'm a big fan of the Hong Kong International Film Festival. I remember very distinctly sitting somewhere in the middle of the hall here, but this time I'm on stage. Very, very thankful.
大家好，我係不赦之罪嘅演員新聞陳子軒，好多謝。我想多謝觀眾啦，多謝你哋抽時間嚟睇《不赦之罪》呢部電影，多謝你哋。
Thank you for taking your time at this time to be watching this film. Thank you. Jack.
係，我係監製嘅。咁嘅，頭先多謝總會啦，都要多謝多一次總會啦。另外就係多謝我台前咁多位演員啦，多謝你哋配合我哋嘅時間表，好緊張咁嘅演出啦。同埋我哋其實咧台下邊仲有部分工作人員喺度㗎。咁就有美術我可能講唔晒啦，音樂幫我哋唱歌嘅，同埋做生的即係仲有好多工作人員喺度一齊。好多謝大家一齊嚟，希望你哋套戲我哋之後有啲討論咁你諗定啲問題問我。
Okay.